Hello everyone, welcome to our AutoCAD course, the industry standard software for computer-aided design and drafting. Whether you're aiming to become an engineer, architect, interior designer, or manufacturer, AutoCAD is a powerful skill that opens doors across nearly every technical field. In this course, you'll learn more than just how to draw. You'll learn how to think and communicate like a designer. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to explain a complex idea without any visuals? It's tough, isn't it? That's exactly where AutoCAD steps in. With AutoCAD, your ideas move from rough sketches in a notebook to precise, scalable, professional quality drawings, ready for manufacturing, construction, or presentation. So, what is AutoCAD exactly? AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D design software developed by Autodesk. It's used to create blueprints, mechanical parts, floor plans, electrical schematics, and more. It's fast, powerful, and respected worldwide. Why should you learn AutoCAD? Because it's a core skill in mechanical, civil, electrical, and architectural careers. It sharpens your precision, boosts productivity, and enhances your design thinking. And once you're confident in AutoCAD, learning other design tools becomes a breeze. Here's what you'll learn in this course. The basics of 2D drafting, like lines, circles, dimensions, and hatching. Drawing and modification techniques, including offset, trim, fillet, mirror, and erase. How to work with layers, blocks, and templates to keep your drawings clean and professional. Plotting and printing your work to meet industry standards. And finally, we'll introduce you to 3D modeling using AutoCAD. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create your own industry-ready drawings and understand exactly how AutoCAD fits into the bigger picture of engineering and design projects.